Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to remove an email address from your LinkedIn account. This is particularly useful if you've added multiple email addresses over time and want to clean up your account or remove outdated contact information. First, open your browser and navigate to linkedin.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're using the correct login details to access your profile. After you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the top of the page where you'll see your profile icon. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Settings and Privacy. This section is where you can manage all aspects of your LinkedIn account, from privacy settings to login credentials. Once you're in the Settings and Privacy area, look over to the left side of the screen. Here you'll find various categories for managing your account. Click on Sign In and Security. This is the hub for all security-related settings, including password management and email configuration. Within the Sign In and Security section, you'll see several options. Locate and click on email addresses. This will take you to a page showing all the email addresses currently associated with your LinkedIn account. You might have added these over the years for different purposes, and this is where you can manage them all. Now comes the part where you actually remove the unwanted email. Find the specific email address you want to remove from your account. Once you've located it, you'll notice a Remove button beside it. Click on Remove to proceed with the deletion process. For security purposes, LinkedIn will ask you to confirm this action. You'll be prompted to input your password. This extra step ensures that only you, the account owner, can make changes to your email addresses. Type in your password and then click Remove to finalize the deletion. And that's it. The email address has now been successfully removed from your LinkedIn account. This helps keep your profile organized and ensures that only your current active email addresses are linked to your professional presence. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.